So I was out on the boat fishing with my brother Kevin, as I'd often like to do, frantically telling him about this crazy online money-making idea I'd come up with, a clever way to get literally thousands of email leads and an estimated $10,000 in monthly commissions or more forwarded into my account on autopilot. And I'm sure he was probably thinking, yeah, sure you are, Brian. And I'm sure it didn't help that I was doing a hack job of explaining how it would work, but I was confident because in principle, my idea was fail-proof. All I had to do. So that is exactly what I did, and you will not believe what happened next. After months of working alongside my coder, Serena, I was finally ready to unveil my new auto-forwarding software, which I dubbed 5-Figure Day. The exact idea I'd been raving about while out fishing with my brother that day. I was about to find out whether I'd prove his skepticism wrong or look like an overzealous fool. Well, as literal fortune would have it, 5-Figure Day took off like a rocket. Within 24 hours, I quite literally had hundreds of email leads and monthly sales of up to $97 a pop flooding into my account on autopilot. Not only was 5-Figure Day working like I'd envisioned, it was outperforming my already very high expectations. And I was ecstatic. I actually called up my brother and my parents to share the news with them. Now, the secret sauce in 5-Figure Day was the fact that it was insanely viral, my most viral system ever by far. All I had to do was literally give away the software for free to others and then let it spider across the web to find other people like me wanting to grow email lists and make easy money online. And that is exactly what it did, to the tune of hundreds of thousands of people. Over 200,000 users had joined 5-Figure Day after not very long. And all this virility meant that it was not only working like crazy just for me personally, 5-Figure Day's exclusive auto-forwarding software immediately began generating thousands of leads and thousands of dollars for other people as well. And I actually set up a private Facebook group for users of 5-Figure Day. Despite it being ultra newbie friendly, I still wanted to help people maximize their results. And it wasn't long before the 5-Figure Day Facebook group was getting plastered with incredible feedback, just awesome feedback. And that, after this video, you can scroll down this page to check out some of the actual testimonials from the group that I copied and pasted from the group. Now, fast forward to today, 5-Figure Day is back and more powerful than ever before. Now, 5-Figure Day was and is, without question, my most successful and most powerful online income software ever. But like anything else, after running it through its paces, it became time to rebuild 5-Figure Day from the ground up to ready it for a brand new army of people. An army of people just like you who are ready to generate massive email lists and autopilot income in 2020 and beyond. So with that in mind, my business partner, Tom E., and I have been working very hard to bring you the all-new 5-Figure Day. Introducing 5-Figure Day Full Throttle. Now, compared to the original 5-Figure Day, 5-Figure Day Full Throttle is like the iPhone 10X of iPhones, or if you're a car guy like me, it's like the mid-engine Corvette of Corvettes. Not only have we completely rebuilt it with the latest viral list and income generating technology, we've made it even easier to collect unlimited leads and commissions with than the original. You simply log in to your 5-Figure Day Full Throttle back office, your member area, where you'll have not just one, but 5 special plug-and-play 5-Figure Day Full Throttle funnels ready to begin auto-forwarding leads and commissions into your account. You're actually just 3 easy steps away from your very first online payday with 5-Figure Day. Now, step 1 is just to enter and save your affiliate link, which takes just, a minute or two. Step number 2, jumpstart your 5-Figure Day Full Throttle's free viral traffic engine. And then step number 3, sit back as 5-Figure Day Full Throttle takes over on autopilot, sending you up to 1,200 leads and hundreds of dollars daily. Now, at first glance, your 5-Figure Day Full Throttle web funnels may look similar to other funnels you've seen or maybe even tried. And here's a peek. Yes, as you can see, they include amazing looking squeeze pages. And yes, there are obviously built-in high-paying products, but that is where the similarity to other funnels ends. What you don't see is our special auto-forwarding software, which is stealth software that automatically runs behind the scenes of each of your funnels and forces leads and commissions into your account on actual autopilot. Now, the way it works is as simple as it is ingenious. As visitors land on your sites, they're invited to join a light version of 5 Figure Day through you. And our system permanently credits these people to your account and then auto forwards a copy of all the leads that they bring in, along with all 100% of commissions that they bring in, straight into your account. Forwards all of that into your account. Now, light version members get to build their lists too, so there's incentive in it for them too, obviously, but you keep all the money as the VIP member. And don't worry, this is all fully disclosed and completely ethical. It's a win-win system for all users. And when your light members choose to upgrade to VIP, guess who gets the commission? That's right, you do. Commissions of up to $477 a pop on cruise control. So listen, I make up to $10,000 per month or more just with my email list alone, and you can check out my list income here for a single recent month across several accounts. Actually totals over $10,000, quite a bit over $10,000. There's simply no easier way to make money, no easier money I know of than blasting out an email to my list. Aside from perhaps winning the lottery, I believe it's quite literally the easiest money in the world. And that's exactly why Tom and I drill it into our followers that you need to be building email lists just like we are. So by joining 5 Figure Day Full Throttle right now, you could have your first batch of email subscribers and your first $47, $97, or even $197 commission by the end of the day today. And do the same thing tomorrow and the next day. And ultimately gear up for your first $10,000 month in 2020 and beyond. Again, just like Tom and I do, we're not rocket scientists over here, believe me. We're just a couple of dudes that like to have fun with our families and fun with our music and hobbies. I'm sure just like you do. And we're out vacationing and doing what we love while we make money online, much of it on autopilot, and obviously a truckload of it with email, as you just saw. Now, the moral of the story, do what we do. Click the big Add to Cart button below this video to join 5 Figure Day Full Throttle right now while our special introductory price lasts, and we really look forward to seeing you inside.